Hello guys, welcome back to Ace of Info YouTube channel. So today we are going to start our brand new Java course. So if you are new here, Ace of Info is a YouTube channel for all those who are trying to learn new technologies every day. So please consider subscribing the channel and also click on the bell icon so you won't miss any of our videos. Okay, let's start learning Java. Now Java is a high-level modern programming language designed in early 1990s. Alright, Java is very famous in use of enterprise applications, complex web applications, embedded softwares, and also for creating mobile applications, especially in Android applications. And remember, Java is not just a language; it is also a technology. Alright, so if you are working with web, then we have servlets. If we are working with frameworks, we have Spring frameworks. Therefore, Java is not just a language, it is a technology. Also, when you're going to interviews, most of the companies they ask questions based on Java. Okay, now in this series, we are learning Java language. How to learn Java language? Just like any other programming language, first you need to understand syntax. Then you need to know basic concepts like what are data types, how to work with loops, or how to check conditions in Java, how to do arithmetic operations. After you're done with that, you can turn to double OP concept. Now Java is an object-oriented programming language, which means that you have to think everything as objects. We will discuss further about this in future videos. So on the double OP concept, you have to learn methods, classes, objects and other important things. And then also there are some things to learn in Java like encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism and more things. Don't worry, we will discuss them in future videos. Okay. So after you are done with double OP concepts, you have to learn some advanced things like how to work with files, databases and multi-threading. In this series, I'm going to cover all these things. So try to practice along with the video to understand the language better. So now to practice coding, we need an IDE. IDE means Integrated Development Environment. So I'm using Eclipse through this series, but you can choose any other IDE like NetBeans, IntelliJ or something else. The reason I'm using Eclipse is it is more friendly and it is very famous in the industry. Go to this website and you can download Eclipse IDE for free in here. Okay. With that to say, we will start our journey in Java in next video.